So friends, welcome to our channel. When you opening your Roblox today, the Roblox showing the upgrade problem. Yes guys, Roblox upgrade. Your version of Roblox is out of date and will not work properly, and the upgrade button shown. When you click on the upgrade button, the Roblox will not be upgrade. So guys, what is the solution of this problem? So guys, you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So for solution, you have to watch this video carefully till the end. Firstly, you have to open settings of your phone. After opening the settings of your phone, you have to scroll down and select the apps option. Yes guys, scroll down and select the apps option in your phone. After selecting, you have to select Roblox here, and here Roblox is not showing, so guys you have to search for Roblox. After searching for Roblox, select the Roblox, and after selecting the Roblox here, you have to select storage and cache or storage usage option. After clicking on this, you have to select the clear cache and then clear storage. After selecting the clear storage button, you have to select delete and then click on the back button. After this, select the permissions option, and you have to allow the permissions like notifications and then allow and microphone and select allow and then camera. So you have to allow these permissions, and then after this you have to select the home button of your phone and go to your phone's home screen. After this, press and hold the power button of your phone just like that. After press and hold, you have to select restart button or reboot button of your phone, and then your phone will be switch off and then switch on automatically. And after this, you have to select the Roblox, and the upgrade error shown on your screen. So guys, you have to select the upgrade button, and then your Roblox shows an update. So guys, you have to click on the update button, and then your Roblox start updating, and then your Roblox is update completed like that. So you have to wait for some time, then after the updating will be completed. So guys, you have to click on home screen. After this, wait for some time and open your Roblox. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do you like this video? Don't forget to subscribe.